Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, in the previous class, I explained to you about the prejudice. Okay. In today's class, I will explain you about a very new topic, that is stereotype. Let us begin with today's topic. See the first point. Stereotype. Stereotype means and overgeneralized and preconceived idea, or it's not and, it's an. Okay, stereotype means an overgeneralized and preconceived idea or impression of the characteristics of a person or a community. It is like forming an image about something without a proper knowledge. Students, before going in depth meaning of stereotype, I'll explain you about the general meaning of stereotype. Stereotype, students, it generally means, stereotypes is something, means the people are following something, okay, from years and years back without having knowledge about the फैक्चुअल थिंग. मीन्स जो आपने सुना होगा रूढ़िबद्ध होता है या रूढ़ी बात होता है, मतलब जो हम बोलते हैं ना, जो घिसा पिटा सा चला आ रहा है और लोग उस चीज़ को मानते आ रहे हैं और उस चीज़ को फॉलो करते आ रहे हैं, दैट इज़ एक्चुअली द मीनिंग ऑफ स्टीरियोटाइप. ओके, if in a very layman language I'll tell you, then that is the meaning of stereotype. Okay, now see the meaning of it. See the first point. Stereotype means overgeneralized and preconceived idea or impression of the characteristics of a person or a community. It is like forming an image about something without a proper knowledge. Means to make a to have a preconceived idea, मतलब जैसे मैंने बताया, पहले से ही कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में सोच लेना, कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में अपने माइंड में कुछ ओपिनियंस बना देना, जो पहले से चलता आ रहा है उसी चीज़ पे बिलीव करना. ओके, टू हैव दैट ओल्ड बिलीफ. ओके, that is actually the stereotype thinking. Means we tend to believe on things which is coming from past. Okay, जो पास्ट से चलता हुआ आ रहा है. Now, it is like forming an image about something without a proper knowledge. Means we form an image, okay, we try to think about some person, about their characteristics, about their personality, okay, characteristics of a person or this community. Community means group of people who are in your surrounding. Okay, community people. Okay, we make a very preconceived idea, or we make a very generalized opinion about the people's image. Okay, but it is not correct that it is sorry, it is not true to the fact that it will always be correct. Okay, so it is like forming an image about something without a proper knowledge. Okay, we do not have certain knowledge. Okay, जो हम सुनते आ रहे हैं उसी पे हम भरोसा करते आ रहे हैं सालों से. Okay, and we believe in those things. Okay, and we do not have proper or complete knowledge about that thing. Okay, so the things which is running from the past, okay, we tend to believe on those things. Okay, we make our belief faith we actually base our belief and faith on the past event which is continuously running from the past. Okay, without having the proper knowledge. Okay, see the second point. Some notions that we have been following for many years get attached to certain things and we start believing it to be true. For example, you see this, you will explain you will understand the meaning of stereotype. For example, in older times when humans lived in jungles, the men went out to hunt and women stayed in caves with children for their safety. Over a period of time, it was considered that boys are brave and they do not cry over little injuries, etc., while girls have always been considered as weak and इमोशनल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, स्टीरियोटाइप जनरली मीन्स जो पहले से चलता आ रहा है, जो पास्ट में जो चलता आ रहा है, जो पहले से लोग जिस चीज़ पे भरोसा करते आ रहे हैं, जिस चीज़ के ऊपर उनको फेथ है, जिस चीज़ के ऊपर उनको बिलीफ है, चाहे वो सही हो या ना हो, जो पास्ट में हमारे साथ चलता आ रहा है, आज भी हम वो सब चीज़ों को फॉलो करते हैं, आज भी उस चीज़ों पे हम बिलीव करते हैं. हमें नहीं पता है कि वो चीज़ें सही हैं या नहीं है, बट you see the second point. Some notions that we have been following from many years, from past many, like from many years, those things are attached to us, those things are attached to us, okay, and we start believing it to be true, and we start believing it to be true. We do not actually know whether it is actually or factually true or not, but just because it is, like we have been following it for many years, हमें एक्चुअली में नहीं पता कि वो चीज़ सही है नहीं है, क्या हमें वो चीज़ फॉलो करनी चाहिए नहीं करनी चाहिए, क्या जो पास्ट में हम अपने बड़ों से सुनते आ रहे हैं हमेशा क्या वो चीज़ सही है या नहीं है, बिना उसको जाने लोग हमेशा उस चीज़ को फॉलो करते जाते हैं करते जाते हैं करते जाते हैं, बिकॉज that thing is attached to them now. Okay, for example, people used to, like people when they used to live in jungles, okay, so it was very dangerous that time to go out, so generally the men used to go out for hunting purpose to bring foods, and generally women stayed in the home. Okay, now they feel that for that condition over a period of time, okay, now abhi समय गुजरता जा रहा है, okay, time is running, okay, now it is considered that the boys are brave and they do not cry, they are very strong, and the girls are always being weak. So यहाँ पे हमेशा consider किया जाता है that the girls are that the boys are very strong, the boys do not cry, the boys are very brave, and on the other hand they suppress women, they say that the girls are very weak, they are very emotional. So in this way they try to judge the people on the basis of the past events or the basis of some notions, okay, which is being attached to us for many years. Okay, now you will see many example and you will understand the meaning of stereotype very well. Just carefully listen to the explanation. See the next point. Even the dresses of children have a color stereotype. Okay, we have a color stereotype, okay, जो चलता आ रहा है, and we try to believe in that. Pinks and red for girl and girls, blue and greens for boys. So if you see a small boy in pink outfit, you assume it is a girl. That is what stereotype is all about. Student, this is what stereotype is all about, which is not actually correct, but people are believing in it. See, color stereotype means the girl should wear red and pink and the boy should wear blue and green. This is their identity, color identity. If some boy has worn, if a small baby is wearing pink color outfit, then you generally believe that it's a girl. Okay, आपको ये लगता है कि हाँ वो लड़की ही होगी तभी उसने पिंक या रेड पहना है, बट दैट इज़ नॉट करेक्ट. ओके, दिस इज़ व्हाट स्टीरियोटाइप इज़ ऑल अबाउट. ओके, स्टीरियोटाइप मीन्स हमें पता है कि वो सब चीज़ सही नहीं है, बट वो चीज़ हम जो पास्ट में चलता है हम उसी चीज़ पे बिलीव करते आए हैं. क्या ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि बॉयज़ कभी पिंक टी शर्ट या पिंक शर्ट नहीं पहन सकते, या फिर ग्रीन, या फिर दे कैन नॉट वेयर रेड टी शर्ट्स और रेड शर्ट्स, वट एवर इट इज़. ओके, कांट गर्ल्स वेयर द ग्रीन आउटफिट्स और ब्लू आउटफिट्स. ओके, so they categorize the color also on the basis of the girls, on the basis of boys, etc., which is a stereotype thinking. Okay, it is a very stereotype thinking. Okay, now some more example you will see. Some more example of stereotype is in a society, say imagining people to be criminal just because they are poor. Student, it happens, right? When we see a poor people who are very like very poor people who do not have much resources, okay, we try to judge them by their look. Okay, we generally feel that they might be criminal or they might be thief. Okay, in that way we or sometimes we think that way. Okay, see the next sentence. If anything is not found in the house, the first thing which comes in the mind is whether the people working in the house have stolen it. Okay, generally it happens with most of the people that if something has been stolen from the house, then we generally blame our maids. Okay, because we feel that they might have stolen our things. Okay, it happens. The person who is working in a house, we generally suspect them as thief. Most of the times we only may have forgotten where we kept a thing, and then later we imagine that it has been stolen. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि चीज़ों को रख के हम भूल जाते हैं. Okay, we try to forget the things, and later when we find things, okay, but we imagine that it has been stolen. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम चीज़ों को रख कर भूल जाते हैं, हमने चीज़ें कहाँ रखी हैं हमें याद नहीं होता, बट हम ये सोच लेते हैं कि शायद ये चीज़ चोरी हुई होगी, एंड डायरेक्टली विदाउट थिंकिंग एनीथिंग वी जस्ट ब्लेम ऑन आवर वर्कर्स, वी ब्लेम ऑन आवर मेड who are serving us, who actually serve us, who work for us. Okay, which is absolutely very wrong, which we should not do it. Okay, students, so this is what stereotype is all about. Okay, see, see the next point. Stereotypes and prejudice jointly affect our thinking process. Many times we behave in this manner without even thinking that we are hurting someone for no fault of their. The image which is formed in our mind is biased and incorrect, and mostly without knowing the details. Student, it happens. See, stereotype and prejudice. There is a very thin line gap between those. Prejudice means to make a prejudgment. Prejudgment means पहले से ही जज कर लेना लोगों को बिना उनके बारे में जाने. वी ट्राई टू जज पीपल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर कलर, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर अपीयरेंसेस, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर आउटलुक. वी जज द पीपल. ओके, स्टीरियोटाइप मीन्स जो पहले से होता आ रहा है उसी चीज़ को लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं अभी तक, बट लोगों को ये नहीं पता कि एक्चुअल में वो चीज़ें सही हैं या नहीं है. बट क्योंकि वो हमारे साथ पास से चलता आ रहा है, लोग उसको पास से फॉलो करते आ रहे हैं, देखते आ रहे हैं, तो आज भी उस चीज़ को लोग फॉलो करते हैं. दैट इज़ एक्चुअली स्टीरियोटाइप, जो घिसा पीटा हमेशा चला आ रहा है. मैनी थिंग्स that the people are following. Okay, that I gave you the example of color stereotype, like the boys and the girls dress. Okay, so these are some kind of stereotype thinking which is absolutely wrong. Okay, this affects our thinking process. Many times we behave in this manner without even thinking that we are hurting someone for no fault of their. Okay, when we behave in this manner, students, when we judge somebody, okay, when we make bad opinions about somebody just looking at them, or just by their appearances, or just because of xyz reasons, many reasons. Okay, so that is not correct actually. Okay, that is very wrong. Okay, in that way we might hurt them. Okay, so the next point is the image which is formed in our mind is biased and incorrect. Whatever we are thinking, whatever we are whatever the image which is created in our mind, which we have created in our mind, that is absolutely incorrect. That is not correct, and that thing we should not do it. Okay, see the next point. We all live in a society, and society consists of people from different backgrounds, so different types of works and live different way of life. We are living in a society. Okay, and in society different background people are there, different types of work style they have, different lifestyle they have, different ways of life they have. So each one of us is different from each other. Okay, we should not judge them on the basis of their background, on the basis of their cultures, on the basis of their working style, on the basis of their job, on the basis of their lifestyle. We should not judge people. Okay, see the next point. As you studied in the last chapter, these differences are based on diverse culture. We have studied in the first chapter of civics, students, about the diverse culture. Okay, people belong to different region, they follow different religion, they have different food pattern, they have different traditions, they have different cultures, they have different clothing styles. So they have many cultural differences, traditional differences, many differences are there in the people. Okay, and due to variation in what they earn for their living, also known as economic status, there is difference in their earning style also. Some people earn very high, some people earn very less, so their economic status is also different. Okay, whenever you will listen the term economic, you always relate it with money. Okay, economic status means your income status, how wealthy you are, how wealthy you are. Okay, some people are very wealthy. Okay, they earn so high, and some people are not so wealthy, they earn little income. Okay, everyone may not get equal opportunities in life, which makes an impact on their personality. That's correct, student. In our society, okay, everyone may not get equal opportunity, everyone in the society may not get equal opportunity, they may not get equal resources. Okay, some people, for example, some people are very poor. Okay, so they do not have enough money to buy clothes, they do not have enough money to educate their children, so they do not get equal opportunity always. Okay, so that is why they are different from each other, but that doesn't mean that we should judge them. Okay, now the next point is availability of money and opportunity in life doesn't make a person low or high. That's very correct. Given a chance, even an underprivileged person may be able to do extremely well, even better than those who got opportunities. Very correct. Availability of money and opportunity. As I said, the poor people do not have much resources with them, they do not have sufficient money. Okay, they do not get the chance to do job because of insufficient money, insufficient resources. They do not have money to actually teach their kids in the schools. Okay, so many things are there. Okay, due to which what happens, the people are poor or rich, or they're educated or they're not. It depends upon the money and the opportunities in the life which they get. Okay, but the money and the opportunity doesn't make a person low or high. जो अच्छा पढ़ लिख कर बड़ा इंसान बन गया, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो हमेशा अच्छा ही हो, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो हमें उसकी पर्सनालिटी अच्छी हो, या फिर वो हमेशा अच्छे से बात करता होगा, या हमेशा वो दूसरों को हेल्प करता होगा. इट इज़ नॉट करेक्ट. ओके, और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि जो पर्सन हु डू नॉट हैव एनी मनी, हु डू नॉट हैव रिसोर्सेज, हु इज़ वेरी पुअर, और वो अच्छा नहीं है, वो पढ़ने में अच्छा नहीं है, उसके पास नॉलेज नहीं है, वो तो ये सब चीज़ें गलत होती हैं कि जिन लोगों के पास सारी चीज़ें हैं वो अच्छे होंगे और जिन लोगों के पास कुछ नहीं है वो बुरे होते हैं. दैट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली wrong. Okay, so given a chance, even an underprivileged person may be able to do extremely well, even better than those who got the opportunity. अगर एक चांस दिया जाए उन लोगों को जो those who are very poor, those who are underprivileged, those who didn't got the opportunity to study in a good school, to do a very good job. Okay, अगर उन लोगों को अगर हम चांस दें, उन लोगों को अगर हम अपॉर्चुनिटी दें, तो हो सकता है कि वो बहुत बहुत ग्रो करें, और उनसे ज़्यादा ग्रो करें जिनके पास सभी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ या सभी रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं, शायद उनसे ज़्यादा ग्रो कर जाएं. ओके, सो वी शुड नॉट जज पीपल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस, ऑन द basis of their lifestyle, on the basis of the money which they earn. Okay, we should not judge them on the basis of all those things. That is absolutely incorrect. Now you will see very great examples. See the first point. Remember the famous case of the winner of the popular quiz program on television, Kaun Banega Karodpati. You can see the picture right here. Kaun Banega Karodpati, who came from a small village. He did not have a wealthy background but won rupees 5 crore due to his excellent knowledge. He had worked hard to attain those levels of knowledge. Student, you might have seen the first winner of Karodpati who actually won 5 crore rupees. He was a very normal man and he was from a very small village and he won 5 crore rupees. And what was the reason behind it? The reason was his knowledge. Was his education, his hard work. Okay, his hard work which he did to attain that knowledge. Okay, so due to his hard work, due to his knowledge, even if he was very poor, even if he was from a small village, even if he was not that lit even if he was not that rich, even if he would not he was not he do not have that luxurious lifestyle, but what he has was his knowledge. He has knowledge. He was an educated man and he worked hard to gain that knowledge, and due to which he earned 5 crore rupees. Now see the next example. Take the case of former president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Student, you might have heard about APJ Abdul Kalam. He was a very renowned scientist and our former president, okay, who was from a very humble background, okay, but could become one of the top scientists of India and later the president of India. APJ Abdul Kalam ji was former president of India. He was a great scientist and he was just a very humble man. He has a very simple background. He did not have a very luxurious life in his childhood. He was from a very simple and a simple kind of family. He was having a very simple background, but due to his hard work, because of his knowledge which he has gained, okay, because of his education, he had become the one of the top scientists of India, and then he became the president of India as well. So that is a very proud moment. Okay, people achieve things in life because of what? Because of their knowledge. Okay, by using their knowledge. Another important example is of Another example of excellence is the late Dr. Stephen Hawking. Okay, he contracted an incurable disease when he started college and could not move around. As time passed, he was totally immobilized and was always confined to a wheelchair for over 40 years of his life. But this did not deter him to be one of the world's most renowned physicists. Student, you can see the picture of Stephen Hawking this side. Stephen Hawking, the late Dr. Stephen Hawking, was is a like is dead today, but he was the world's best physicist. Okay, late Dr. Stephen Hawking. Okay, he was the one who actually contracted an incurable disease. He got a disease. Okay, he got a disease when he was in college. At that time he got a disease and he was totally immobilized. He was unable to move. He was in wheelchair for 40 years. For how many years? For 40 years he was in the wheelchair. He was not able to move here and there because of some disease he was actually contracted. Okay, and despite of all the difficulties in his life, despite of the disease which he had, he became the world's most renowned physicist. Why? Because of his knowledge. Okay, because of his immense knowledge, because of his education. Okay, so these are the greatest examples of the people who actually reached into a great height, to a greater heights, due to their knowledge and the education. Though they do not belong to a very luxurious family, they do not have the fancy attire, they do not speak fancy words, they do not they have not lived their life in a fancy way, but still they have attained so much respect in the society. They have attained so much heights of success in their life, only and only because of their knowledge and education. Okay, so this is the greatest examples of the people, the real life people. Okay, so this is all about stereotype, students. Now let us move towards the next topic, that is discrimination, a social evil. Student, discrimination, as I told you, what is the meaning of discrimination? Discrimination means to discriminate, to make the differences. Okay, to do partiality, bhed karna. Okay, to make the differences. ओके, सो दैट इज़ अ सोशल एविल. वो दुश्मन होती है सोसाइटी की. टू डिफ्रेंशिएट, दैट इज़ अ social evil. Discrimination is not at all good for the society. It is a social evil. It is very bad for the society. We will study about it in detail. See the points. See, point number one. In earlier times, people were categorized in different classes depending on the jobs they performed. Those who performs job like removing garbage, dead animals, skinning leather, making footwear, cleaning and washing, cutting hair, etc. were graded as low class workers and were not allowed to use the same well for drawing drinking water or visit the same temple or sit together in the gathering. Students, in earlier time, okay, when like years back, okay, years back, people used to categorize people on the basis of the different classes. Like we already know, some belong to lower classes, some belong to upper middle class, some belong to lower middle class, some belong to upper high class, some belong to upper low class. So there are different classes of people. Some are poor, some are rich. So the society is divided into different class of people. Okay, so in earlier times, what happens, due to which what happens, those who perform job like removing garbage, those who were people who were like those who were very poor, and those who were doing very small jobs during that time, okay, like removing the garbage, okay, dead skin or skinning the leather, okay, making the footwear or cleaning the dishes, washing the cleaning and washing the dishes, washing clothes, cutting hairs, okay, were graded as the low class workers. Okay, the people who did all these work were graded as the low class workers. They were graded as the low class worker, which was not actually correct. Okay, they were graded as the low class worker, and the high class worker and the high class people used to discriminate them, used to do partiality with them. How? See, they were not allowed to use the same well. Means the low class workers were not allowed to use the same well. Kuan, well matlab kuan. They were not they were not allowed to use the same well for drawing the drinking water which the rich people or high class people used to use. Okay, they were not allowed to visit the same temple जहाँ पे high class people जाते थे. They were not allowed to go in that temple, or they were not allowed to sit together with them. So this is how they discriminate them on the basis of their job. Okay, so this is how they used to discriminate the low class people. Okay, now see the next point. The children from these families were not allowed to go to schools and were forced to do the same jobs as their families did. Those who were of the upper class in the social structure considered them as dirty, impure, and untouchable students. The children from these families means the children who belong to the lower class family. Okay, we are talking about the people who belong to the lower class family. So the children from these families were not allowed to go to the school. Okay, they were not allowed to go to the schools. Okay, they were forced to do the same jobs as their families means the children who actually were born in a very low class family, they were not allowed to go to the schools where the high class people used to go. Okay, they were not allowed there, and plus they were forced to do the same jobs in the as their parents. Okay, so those peoples were forced to do, they were not given the education, they were not allowed to go to the school, and they were forced to do the same jobs like their parents. Okay, the small jobs. Now see the next. Those who were of the upper class, okay, the people or the children, those who were from the upper class in the social structure considered them as a dirty and impure and untouchable. जो upper class वाले लोग हैं उनको क्या बोला करते थे? dirty, गंदे, impure, जो अपवित्र हैं, and untouchable, उनको छूते नहीं थे, छुआछूत मानते थे. Okay, so these are the certain things in which or how and due to which they were on this aspects the lower class people were discriminated by the upper class people. Okay, they were considered as the lower classes ke children and the people were considered as dirty, they were considered as impure, and they were not touched by the high class people. They were not, their children were not allowed to go to the schools, and they were forced to do that small jobs. Okay, so this is how the higher class people in the earlier time, this is how the higher classes people discriminated the people who belong to the lower class. Okay, see the next point. They did not even let them come inside their home. They, like the higher class people, do not allow the lower class people to come inside their home. They kept them in outskirts of the village. Means outskirts of the village means generally they were in the outskirt region towards the end. They did not live at the center of the village. Okay, they generally live towards the end of the village. दूर पे रहा करते थे village के, वो center place में कभी नहीं रहते थे. Okay, and they were not allowed to come into the homes of the higher class people. These people thus did not get chance to improve their life, while other prospered with development all around. So due to this discrimination which the higher class people used to do with the lower class people, due to which what happened, they did not got any chances to improve their life. So क्या होते थे, जो हायर क्लासेस पीपल थे वो जनरली लोअर क्लासेस पीपल को डिस्क्रिमिनेट करते थे. ठीक है, और उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, कभी जो लोअर क्लासेस पीपल हैं वो कभी अपने लाइफ में आगे नहीं बढ़ पाए इस चीज़ की वजह से, क्योंकि उनको कभी उस चीज़ में अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं दी गई, उनको सपोर्ट नहीं दिया गया. एंड द पीपल ऑफ द हायर क्लास पीपल, दे यूज्ड दिस अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एंड दे डेवलप्ड themselves. Okay, so this is all about today, students. We will continue with the further topic in our next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.